Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi here. Okay guys, so if you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe. So today I am going to show you guys my Glairs collection. So I won't waste a lot of time. Without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, I don't have much Glairs. I don't know why, but yes, I love Glairs, but it's like कि वो चलते जाता है, and once we start wearing those Glairs, it suits your face, then it keeps on going until it is lost or until it is gone. So yeah, I'll show you my Glairs collection, and if you are following me, if you are seeing me for the first time, then if you guys don't know, I have uploaded a video like reasons to wear Glairs. There are several reasons you must wear Glairs, so I'll link that in the description box. Okay, we'll start with this. This is like a purplish color wala Glairs, and it is something amazing. Like, I just like it, and yes, it looks classy. That was I feel. And this I have took from Bandra Linking Road, and it was like, I guess, 250 rupees only. Yeah. Okay, next is this. This is of like my brother bought for me, and it is like okayish type. I don't like much, but then also it's okay. Yeah, it is black, totally black, and something cat eye type. And this also I took from like Bombay Crawford Market. Yeah, see, it was also like 150 rupees, I guess, but this is like nice, right? Yeah. And next thing is this. This I took from Borivali for my, it is like okay, yes, it is reflecting. See, you guys can see on camera as well, but I have took this from Borivali. And for my Activa, like when I drive Activa at night, I need something to wear, but I can't wear those shades, right? So this is perfect for me. Just do let me know how it's looking. It is looking like weird, right? But then also do let me know in the comment section. Okay, next thing is what's inside this. Okay, this I have ordered from Lenskart, and this is not a sponsored video, so don't tell like sponsor, it is sponsored. No, this I have ordered from Lenskart, but the quality of this is really amazing, better than all those other Glairs or glasses. This is amazing. I don't have glasses, but this also for Activa, since I said I need clear glasses for Activa, but this is looking amazing, really, right? Okay guys, next thing is this. This is in like, I don't know what shape it is called, but this is nice. I have got this from Colaba Causeway, and I have got this like 2 years back, and it is amazing, right? This is nice. I'm liking it, and it is suiting me as well. Like, people say I have worn this many of times, and it is nice. Yeah. Okay, next I have never worn this. Like, I don't know, I forget that I have this Glairs. This is Mercury and in round shape. This also I have ordered from Lenskart. I like Lenskart products. The quality comes really nice, but this is really dark from inside. Like, everything is looking like black, but from outside it is looking nice. It is like Mercury, so you can see the reflection of all the things in my Glairs over here, right? Yeah. Okay, next thing. Okay, next thing is this. This is like anti-glare glasses, like UV rays. It protects from UV rays. So if I go in heat, not especially in heat, like I use them while I'm working, like when I'm in front of computer. So it protects my eyes. Like, it helps you to not get glasses. So like, it is, prevention is better than cure. So I am wearing this also since like 5 to 6 years, since I have entered in engineering, and to protect my eyes, because my whole day is in front of my laptop. So yeah, you can see this. This is cat eyes, and it is in purple color. So do let me know how it's looking. It is looking really like, do let me know. I wear because it is for protection of my eyes. but then also you can let me know in the comment section how you find my glares and which glares were looking good on me. Yeah, that was all for today. That was my collection of glares, and if you want to show me yours, do tag me on Instagram. I'll have a look. And yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.